then you this one is passion. So you simply come, look at me, these group members. Look at me. You pick one, you place, another one, you place. You see? Another one you pick, you place. So just place them in these regions. Tunaelewana? Pick. You place them. So you just leave a little bit. One by one, you pick from that, you place them. Continue from this point.
So you see, you have put them into groups.
Yes.
How many groups?
I have 4 groups.
4 groups working on the same project.
Yes, working on the same project.
Okay.
So depending on the climate of the region, the crop that can do best here is passion fruit. So all of them are carrying out.